A very sweet good morning, dear children. Welcome in GK class. Children, today we are going to do two chapters. Chapter number 19, Save Us, We Are in Danger. Number 20, At the Top. In chapter number 19, Save Us, We Are in Danger, it's a message from the animals, wild animals that are going to be extinct. Rapid development of our society, speedy development of our society, and poaching means hunting is a challenge for wild animals. So it's a message from wild animals that save us. So let's start doing chapter number 19 in the book at first. Okay children, let's start. So children, chapter number 19, this chapter can come in both the ways, one word answer and blanks. Okay children, so you have to write down. Okay, now we'll do chapter number 19. You can see I'm the largest member of cat family, number 1. Okay, I'm also the national animal of your country, India. So which is the national animal of our country? That is Royal Bengal tiger. So you can write only tiger here. Okay, so this is the answer, tiger. Write down. Take care of writing the spelling. Okay, number 2. I'm the largest ape, monkey, you can see. Okay, mammal. I look like you. You can find me in African jungles. I look like you. Okay, is it resembling with you? No. Yes, I look like you. You can find me in African jungles. This is mountain gorilla. MOUNTAIN, mountain gorilla. GORILLA, mountain gorilla. Next, you can find me in Kaziranga National Park of Assam. I have a horn on my nose. Children, I want to tell you about at first national parks. These are the protected areas declared by government. Okay. And the objective means to preserve wildlife and save flora and fauna. Okay, means national parks are meant to protect species of animals and plants. So you can find me in Kaziranga National Park of Assam. I have a horn on my nose. I'm one horn rhinoceros. One horn rhinoceros. Okay, children, take care of writing the spelling. Right. Next, number 4. I'm a Chinese animal. So it is Chinese animal. You can see this. It is a very cute animal from China. Chinese animal. I love to eat bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots means a young shoot of bamboo eaten as a vegetable. Bamboo shoot. I look very cute. Yes. It's very cute animal. This is giant panda. Okay, giant panda. So next is, I'm a bird and serve like good cleaner of the environment. I feed on dead animals. Yes, I'm a good cleaner of the environment. Okay, जितने भी dead animals हैं उनको मैं eat कर लेता हूँ. I feed on dead animals. I'm vulture. VULTURE, vulture. Next is number 6. I'm a primate. I'm the most intelligent animal. Most intelligent, मतलब large brain होता है इनका. And primates are, and you can say mammals. Okay, मतलब अपनी young ones को birth देते हैं. Females जो हैं उनको milk feed करवाती हैं. Okay, mammals. I'm a primate. I'm the most intelligent animal. I'm chimpanzee. 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 Next is very interesting. I'm an Indian wild dog. I have my name after an Indian musical instrument. And the instrument name is dhol. So this is Indian wild dog. Okay. DHOLE, dhol. So it is clear. Nowadays, there are 38 known species of mammals that are extinct. Extinct means having no living members. Okay, 38 species हैं जिनका कोई living member नहीं है now in these days. So it is a message from their side, from these animal side, that save us, please save us, we are in danger. Okay, children. So now we are going to do next chapter. The name of the chapter is At the Top. Chapter number 20, and it's very important chapter, and it can come in one word answer, blanks, and match it. Okay, in this way this chapter can come. So here are some of the largest and smallest continents, cities, oceans, etc. in the world. Write their names with the help of the clues given below. Largest continent. Children, as you know, there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. And you have to write the name of largest continent. And which is the largest continent? Asia. India is also in Asia continent. Number 2, smallest continent. Smallest continent, that is Australia. 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 So now largest island. So island is a land, piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. Largest island, that is Greenland. Okay. Next, largest desert, that is Sahara. Which is the largest desert? Sahara. Okay. So we are talking in the world. This is the largest desert in the world. So now, largest city. So which is the largest city? Tokyo. 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 Now, tallest building. So here you can see this is the tallest building. This is Burj Khalifa. You can see this is the tallest building, and it is extremely tall. Skyscrapers. It is in Dubai. Burj Khalifa. So clear? B-U-R-G. Burj. Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Largest ocean. So children, let me tell you 5 oceans are there: Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, Antarctic Ocean. और इसको Southern Ocean भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so you have to write largest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. Okay, so smallest ocean, that is Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean. So children, now match the following. Longest railway, that is Trans-Siberian. Trans-Siberian. In front of Trans-Siberian, you have to write number 1. Longest wall, Great Wall of China. In front of Great Wall of China, you have to write number 2. Longest river, that is Nile. In India, it is Ganga, but we have to write the answer in word. Longest river, that is Nile. Wettest place, Mawsynram. Mawsynram. मेघालय में है ये प्लेस, Mawsynram. Driest place, Atacama Desert. And children, here average rainfall, in this region is 15 millimeter per year. It's very less. So this is the driest place. So children, this chapter is really very important. You have to learn. As I told you, the name of continents, name of oceans, you have to keep all the names in mind. Okay, you just keep in mind. Okay, children, and you have to do both the chapters, chapter number 19 and chapter number 20 in the book, and you have to learn also. Okay, children, so have a wonderful time. Bye bye all of you.